Hello and welcome to a new episode of my Swiss hiking diaries. In this video, I am taking you snowshoeing in a Swiss winter wonderland. It was one of these mornings when you are a child again and all you want to do is snow angels and snowmen. After a dark few days of heavy snowing, the sky cleared and the sun revealed an amazing winter wonderland landscape with sparkling snow and dreamy mountain views. I am in a village called Arvenbüel, part of the Amden Weesen Region, above the Walen Lake in northeastern Switzerland. Arvenbüel is known for its family-friendly ski and winter hiking areas, as well as spectacular views. This trail is an ideal, easy trail for beginners or families. It goes from Arvenbüel along the Beerenbach stream through the snowy forest until the high mountain pasture called Egg. Also, there is a chance of spotting some wildlife that is active during winter. But what makes me come back here every winter is the impressive view of the Egg-Rör Alps. They are just magnificent. If you want to try it, I will have all the details for you in the description below. While I show you this beautiful trail, I want to talk to you about the benefits of snowshoeing and what you need to start on your first adventure. I'm often asked why I go snowshoeing. Snowshoeing is not only an inexpensive way to enjoy winter, but it's also respectful of the environment and allows for discreet observation of wildlife. You don't need to wait in line for a ski lift or have impressive athletic skills. It's perfect for people of all ages and fitness levels. Snowshoeing helps you maintain your fitness through the winter, and in my experience, it can even improve it. This sport is accessible, has a relatively short learning curve, and doesn't require a big investment in equipment, unlike skiing. essentially what you need to start. First of all, you will need snowshoes. All winter equipment stores have consultants who can offer you advice according to the type of terrain you will hike on. We use snowshoes with a heel lift, so my tip here would be that if you plan to explore steep terrains, prioritize a model that includes a heel lift, that is a wire bar at the back of the snowshoe where your heel can rest. This allows for easier ascents and reduces the strain on your calves. You will also need a good pair of winter hiking boots that are waterproof, warm, and comfortable. They should also cover your ankles to provide better support and help you avoid injuries. Use a multi-layer system when dressing. Don't dress too warmly, you'll get warm when hiking and it will be unpleasant. I always have an extra warm layer in my backpack, and I use the same backpack as in summer for the day hikes. I use hiking poles. They are great if the terrain is more uneven or on difficult trails. They will help you distribute your effort and increase your stability. I always bring lunch and snacks, also hot tea and water. In cold weather, you will have a decreased sensation of thirst, but it is just as important, if not more important, to stay hydrated and eat well because your metabolic rate increases from cold acclimatization. You also need to pack a first aid kit, sunscreen, hand and feet warmers, avalanche safety equipment, or a fire starter. Before leaving, always check weather conditions and avalanche risks. I'll link a few apps for Switzerland. That's it! You can now go on your first snowshoeing adventure. I'm finishing my tips just in time because, as you can see, it was time for us to go back to Arvenbüel. That's it for this video. I hope it was useful and that you will give this hike a try. Have a very merry festive season. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon for another adventure.